Hello. I'm going to do a little boiled 1 cup of water test, and I got a little stove I'm going to use. Now, I just took, I'm sorry, yeah, I had this in there. This is a thermometer. I ain't got the kind like Hiram uses, and hopefully he'll redo this test so we can get a better way, because he's so much better at this than I am. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm having a heck of a time reading this. What the heck? What's your temperature? Water is sitting at. Come on. Wow, what a crazy thermometer. What is your problem, man? You're messing my video up. Jiminy Christmas. These old thermometers suck. This is my grandma. Oh, there it was. There it was. I see it. It's 86. I'm sorry. 86 degrees is what the thermometer reads. I know, I must have used warm water. I put aluminum foil on the bottom of my cup so that it won't mess my cup up. And I got 1 cup of water. This is a measured 1 cup of water. Pouring it in. And time to light my burner, Zippo lighter. Oh yeah, first flick. Gotta love that for being on film. And away we go. Not the sweet spot. It'd be nicer if it was a little further away. Coughing's a bad idea. I guess I can put my thermometer away. Burning. Let me turn the lights out so you can see it burning. You see the burning? Yep. Ah, damn it! Forgot to start the stopwatch. Son of a gun. Ugh. Alright, you guys might be able to time that by how long the movie was going. I'm telling you, Hiram's better at doing this. I'm just giving the idea. Hopefully he'll redo it and do it the scientific way he does it. He's got more stuff to do this with, but it'd be great if Hiram would do some testing with this. Because, you know, if he does it, it would be nice. I'm going to lame this up, but I'm trying. I'd say I got maybe a little less than a ½ inch clearance between that cup and that flame. One minute and 5 seconds. And I know I started it late. I'll let you guys watch this burn. I'm going to go put my measuring cup back. And I'll be back in a minute. And no, I'm not pausing the video. I'll let it run. I'll be back. Flip the mattress. Why not? If you put a clean sheet on it, it'll just be soaked. I'm sorry. Family thing. Kid spilled water on his mattress. I'm gonna flip the mattress over. I ain't getting in trouble with the music people, so I don't even mess with trying to put music on my videos. So I know it's probably going to lame this up, because how boring can it possibly be just to sit and watch a Zippo lighter go? Oh, I see steam. I see a little bit of heat coming off. No little bubbles yet. Three minutes and some seconds. I'm sure I'm hurting myself because of the fact I ain't got no proper height right there. And I'm having to heat up aluminum foil on top of. That's why I said Hiram would be better for this. I'm just giving an idea. You know, I could try raising up on him. Youch! Hey, the outside of that's actually hot. Yep. I'd say the aluminum foil got hot and now it's spreading it up around. Stainless steel is used for heat sinks and stuff like that to dissipate heat. So using a stainless steel cup it's harder to get it hot in the first place, so probably a poor choice. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to find out how good the quality of your stainless steel is, take a magnet. The best stainless will be non-magnetic. The more magnetic your stainless steel is, the more iron is in it, more ferrous, so it'll stick. But if you want to see how qualityed your stainless steel is, you just take a magnet, and the better the stainless, the least a magnet will want to stick. If it don't stick at all, that's nice stainless. Stainless is an alloy, by the way. It's not its own metal. Uh-oh. My lighter is getting so hot, it's actually starting to come out around the case. See that? I think I'm going to end up with a flamethrower here in a minute. It's burning at the hinge. Let me turn the light out so you can see that. I'm getting a runaway backflash on the heat deal there. Can you see that? This flame that's burning back here, it's because I got it too close, and now the heat's going back down inside the lighter, causing a runaway heat effect. Oh yeah. Now it's just pouring out around. Might end up getting an explosion here. That's why I said, better let Hiram do stuff like this. When did this happen? Let me get a break and see if I can get a time. 6 minutes. 6 minutes and 8 seconds, and I'm ruining a lighter. Dadgummit. Oh well, it's a 2000 some model. Hopefully it don't hurt the hinge too bad. Might cause it to get warmer quicker. Hurry up and boil, darn it, so I don't completely kill my lighter. I'm gonna need a glove. Fortunately, if you see my videos, you know I got a glove. And they look a lot like Hiram's, don't they? That's why I liked his. My glove is a lot like the one that Hiram uses. Nice, board broke in. Holy moly, look at this flame. Let me turn the light out so you guys can see this. This is cool. Look at that. I got a flaming inferno from a Zippo. Holy moly. Well, I was trying to use aluminum foil to keep from ruining my cup, and I'll guarantee you I'm messing my cup up. It looks like it's sooting it pretty bad. Holy crap. Hey, wouldn't it be funny if on video I filmed myself burning my house down from stupidity? That's why you should leave stuff like this to professionals like Hiram. Holy crap. I don't like this. We're at 7 minutes and 32 seconds and I still ain't got a boil, but I got a good chance of running a zippo. I ain't got the little tiny bubbles at the bottom. This sucks. Uh-oh. I'm getting sound noises now going on. Good Lord. Turn the light back on. I'm getting a definite stink in the bedroom. And I got a lot of soot. I'm trying to let it go till it boils. 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Can a zippo be used as a stove? Not when using a stainless steel cup. Oh, I don't believe this. I still ain't got a boil. You know how the bubbles form in the bottom before you get a boil? Still ain't got that. After all that flame, I wonder if the flame is being deflected from the aluminum. I mean, wait till you see the stainless steel cup. This thing is perfectly clean, gorgeous stainless steel. And if you can see that, me shining a light on it, I mean, it's burnt black. And my bedroom's full of smoke right now. My wife's going to kill me. This is definitely a test that should have been done in my basement or outside. I mean, all the way around. That thing is charcoal black. And there still ain't even a bubble inside this stupid cup. Okay, now they're forming. I'm seeing the little tiny bubbles. They're actually forming on the wall instead of on the floor. You know, on the bottom of the cup. They're forming more on right here and over here. Let me shine my light in there, see if I see them anymore. Oh, okay, there is a few back this side of the cup. Oh, man. We're at 10 minutes and 8 seconds. I have a feeling this thing's going to run out before we get a boil. Almost out. It's down to blue and out. Okay, at 10 minutes and 25 seconds, it is out, and all I got was the little tiny bubbles at the bottom. I don't know if my camera can stretch that far, but I can try. Let me see down in there. Hold on. Let me try to slide the whole thing over. But that's going to be sliding on top of plastic. Ugh. Darn it. Okay. I'll just grab the cup and bring it over. Uh-oh. My glove went. Did you hear that? Alright, here, flashlight. You see down in there? There you go. See? Hold on. Almost there. There. Nope. There you can see there's just a few little tiny bubbles around the edges. Can you see them or not? Darn it. Oh, Hiram, please do this video right. Alright, we're going to call this video done and dumb.